In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an invitation in Hubstaff. If you've sent out an invitation to someone and it turns out they haven't received it, or maybe it got lost in their email inbox, don't worry. You can easily resend an invitation right through Hubstaff's platform. Let's walk through this step by step so you can get your team members onboarded as quickly as possible. First, you'll need to log into your Hubstaff account. Once you're there, the first thing you'll do is click on the People tab. This tab is typically located in the top navigation bar of your dashboard. It's your go-to section for managing your team members, whether they're new or already part of your organization. By clicking on People, you'll have access to all the personnel-related controls, and it's the starting point for resending any invitation. Next, under the People section, you'll want to find and click on the Invites tab. This section houses all the invitations you've sent out, whether they're pending, accepted, or have expired. It's where you can manage your invitations, allowing you to see who hasn't joined yet and resend invites as necessary. Now, once you're in the Invites area, look for the Actions button associated with the invitation you wish to resend. This button is usually found to the right of each listed invite. Clicking Actions will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Selecting the correct invite to resend is crucial here, so double-check the recipient's details to ensure accuracy. Finally, in that drop-down menu, you'll see the option to Resend Invite. Simply click on it, and Hubstaff will automatically resend the invitation to the intended recipient. It's a straightforward step, but it works wonders in cutting down delays and ensuring your team members have the access they need. A couple of tips to keep in mind. After resending an invitation, it's usually helpful to reach out to your team member directly, letting them know that the invite has been resent. Occasionally, automated invites might end up in the spam folder or get overlooked, so a quick personal message can help ensure it's received and addressed promptly. Also, verify that the email address you've used is correct. Sometimes even a small typo can be the culprit in a missing invite. And there you have it. Resending an invitation in Hubstaff is a simple but powerful tool to ensure everyone is on board and ready to start collaborating. By following these steps, you'll streamline your onboarding process and enhance team communication. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on effectively using Hubstaff.